It's now 130 days since the people voted in the general election, and still Dáil Éireann hasn't formed a government. We need to urgently form a government to deal with very many important issues, such as protecting the people from COVID-19, rebuilding our shattered economy, building public houses and getting our children back to school. The programme for government that we have agreed with Fine Gael and the Green Party is a programme for government that can work for this country. Under that programme for government, we will get Fianna Fáil ministers building public houses on public land. We will have Fianna Fáil ministers tackling climate change, and most importantly of all, we will have a Fianna Fáil Taoiseach promoting reconciliation and unity of all people and races on this island.